There's a day 7 update, and I already took trades today. So yeah, as if you watched the previous one, you would see that I closed some of yesterday's trades today, which was the GBP USD and the USD CAD. But the first trade that I took today, I kind of took a sell here at this CB. As you can see, we created that CB right there, and I took a trade there. Took a sell, and then price went up a bit. I actually took a sell. No. I took also a sell here. This was the first sell, right? I took a sell here at the, I think it was like a 1 minute. What is happening? Yeah, I took a sell. It was a 1 minute. Yes, it was a 1 minute order block, and I took a sell there. When price went all the way down, came back in here, I took a sell, and I put my I took a sell here. I think I put my SL just right above this, and then as you can see, we went up to trigger it, and then I put it above this. We went to trigger it, and then this was the I used that CB as an entry again. I went in again, and then I was triggered out. Then I realized that there's an order block here. There was an order block 1 hour on the 1 hour, and then I took the sell in the order block. I took it there, and then as you can see, it did actually play out. Went to hit TP. Well, today was everything was just moving wild, and I couldn't anticipate all this movement, so I just set my TPs there. Normally I would just take half of the trades, or 75% of the trades, and then let the rest running, but I didn't do that. I executed 3 trades, but all of them had the TP at that sell side liquidity there, and then I missed all this movement. And then the second entry also, which I missed, I didn't take it because we had this movement, and then it hit my TP, right? And then there's a break. I consider that as a breakaway gap. All this is a breakaway gap. All this is a breakaway gap because we're breaking away to this sell side. Broke below. I consider this as a breakaway gap, and then you shouldn't fill the whole thing. Maybe 50%, or not even 50%, maybe 25%. So as you can see, didn't even go over the 50%. I hesitated to take a trade there, and then missed all of this. So I'm not gonna beat myself. It is what it is. And then the second trade of the day was on NAS, which actually just ruined my day. It was a good trade for a moment, and then things just went south, just went sideways out of nowhere. So this is what we have. I took, looking at this CB here, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Looking at that CB there, let me mark it out. There's that CB. Looking at that CB there, I actually took sells here, brought it all the way down to this order block, which I hesitated to close as an H1 order block, which I actually wanted it to just price actually break I wanted it to break this Asian low and also break this previous day low. I wanted it to break this, so I just held. I didn't close anything, and price just reversed, went back up. And what I did, I already had locked profits on this trade, so I executed more sells. I think I was using this order block there. Yeah, I was using that order block there, executed more sells, and this thing just went up, took me out. And then from that, I also executed more sells on this CB. It was I think it was a wait, what time frame? What is happening right now? Yeah, I think it was 30-minute CB. Yeah, it was a 30-minute CB. So using that CB, as you saw there, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, I took more sells again, and I put it all the way above. SLs, I put it all the way above here. I took sells there, put sells all the way above here, and then as you can see, that didn't work out as planned. I was triggered out, so I just left the market for the day. It was a losing day. Today I was nearly close to actually just passing the challenge, but because of minor mistakes there, because of decisions that I made today, little slight decisions that I made today, and unfortunately I didn't, ended up being a losing day today. So yeah, that's because of slight different changes just led me to this. So that's what happened today. Let's just go to the MT5. This was yesterday's trade, which I closed, which hit SL, and then I took sells here, and then I was triggered out. I took sells there, I was triggered out. Let me go to a lower time frame. Yeah, I took sells up there. Okay, let me disable this. I took sells there, and then SLs above this high, which I was triggered out. And then I took more sells. I took more sells 1, 2, and then I put the SL a little bit above that, and then as you can see, we did go into profit and hit TP. I didn't re-enter again, and then as you can see, just it even skipped. We have this volume imbalance, which might be on my broker. Other brokers might, there might be price printed there, but here there was no price printed. I just skipped. So that's what happened. So that's the trade for today. The 3 trades I took on GBP USD today, and then also NAS. So this is what happened on NAS today. I took a sell there using that is it a 30-minute? Yes, a 30-minute CB, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. I took a sell. What? There is it. Yeah, it's this one here. I took a sell there, and price went all the way down, went into profit, probably on around 100 and something. I just broke even. I wanted it to broke below. I didn't take partials, and as you can see, it went all the way up, triggered my SL, and then I also executed more sells there, and then I was taken out totally here. And then I took more sells after it broke this high. After it broke this high, I took more sells, and SL just right then, and I was triggered out. That was that SL was that was this high, so I was triggered out. So that's the trade for today, and here are the results. Well, as you know, if you checked yesterday's video, this is actually part of this USD CAD and this GBP USD. This trades 1, 2, 3 was actually part of day 6. I just closed them the next day. So as you can see, the first trade GBP USD hit SL 1, 2, 3. I always take 0.1 1, 2 times 3. As you can see, 3 of them hit SL with minus 0.09%. 3 of them, so that's times 3. You know, you'll do your math and get the total percentage drawdown. And then the second trade I took on GBP USD, as you can see, I was profitable. I executed 3 0.10, and then as you can see, I made profit. And also I took the NAS that went all the way in profit, but I broke even, closed that, triggered my SL at 3 USD. And then as you can see, the rest of the NAS trades that I took hit SL here, took 2 of them, and then also later on I took 2. Those are the other 2. So, and then totally today closing at minus 106.5 cents. So yeah, that's the closing day for today. It was a losing trade. I made a lot of mistakes. Technically I did follow my plan, but not fully. I didn't take partials. First mistake that I didn't take partials on NAS. I didn't close when I saw what is this, confluenced against me, and I didn't take partials. Also, I didn't take partials and I didn't close. So that was the first mistake that I made today. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow is a good day also, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload. So yeah, that was day 7. Peace.